Are your email open rates stuck? Frustrated with low conversions? Discover effective email marketing, smart segmentation. Email segmentation boosts engagement and drives sales. Craft targeted messages based on user behavior and demographics. Connect with engaged users for meaningful interactions. Send tailored offers reflecting purchase history for better relevance. Use geographic data to reach customers effectively. Transform your subscriber list into a powerful tool. Segmentation ensures the right message at the right time. Smart segmentation leads to higher open rates and ROI. Automate workflows for segments to maximize efficiency. Drive conversions by delivering valuable content to subscribers. Personalized emails made a real difference, says Jeff Chappell from Lesson Planet. Use dynamic content that meets individual subscriber needs. Let data guide high-performing emails. Try Campaigner for free and unlock personalized interactions. Engage customers, increase lifetime value, and drive revenue. Don't miss out. Start your free trial now and transform your campaigns.